I think we'll go with this guy, right? Not even sure why, but it's between him and what seems to be an effervescent way to end the night, our consolation prize. Given that it was our final beer of purchase that kind of put us over the top with how much we can spend for the weekend. However, being that as this is like kind of it's the fifth beer of the night, I have drinking every single one up until this point, 4.4, whatever have you. Um, this one's probably on my palate more flavorful. Like it has a description here. We have an IB, we have an IPA, 9.5%. Do my mind Dorado, high by the famous Mad Tree Brewing Company, it, out of Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm not really sure anything else beyond the fact that these colors are just phenomenal. I love like right in here, all that color in there, just between yellow and blue is so phenomenal. Green is amazing. The problem is this is like 12 ounces and this is a pint, and I'm getting kind of greedy. So I mean, I still have no idea. We're doing pretty good though. Like it's only 9 o'clock, maybe a quarter after. I have four beers left. I don't want to get drunk tomorrow night, seeing as the Monday I want to be fresh. I want to be ready to go. So I don't want to go crazy. Maybe I will do consolation and start with the Mad Tree Dorado High tomorrow, whenever that may be. I don't, like I said, I don't want to be drunk from Monday morning. I want to make sure that that I'm properly hydrated, that I don't have that sort of feeling in the morning of just decrepit loss of ingredients, loss of just minerals and fucking vitamins, and just loss of basic nutrients. Um, So I might go with the consolation prize just to go ahead. Neither of them have anything, so I don't have anything to say about either of them. Um, quarter after nine, I have time, so I might go with my consolation prize. Tomorrow night should be very, very epicurious in that we have a very nice the high drink that I just showed you is very flavorful. It had a description on it. I thought it had a description on it. Um, maybe not. I remember a description, yet I cannot see one. Y'all might not get shit on these next few beers. So the only beer that I know will taste like a specific beer is the stout from Evil Twin Brewing. Even then, it's a 1 in 5 chance that I'll have a chili flavored, spicy, sweet IPA, or I'm sorry, stout, um, being introduced. Other than that, the chances are anything at this moment. I have the Goose Noel, Goose Island, limited release Belgian style ale. Um, and that's it for the evening. So I'll have three beers. I'm going to go ahead and go with the Desolation Consolation prize here. My chicken isn't even ready. That's ridiculous. But we're gonna go ahead and do this up. I'm pretty sure this is a double IPA. We have a DIPA. Pretty mellow, pretty natural in its flavor, just very basic rustic tones. So regular. A cinch of sweetness. Cinch of sweetness, but I think a good undertone flavor of like those vanilla mosaic amaretto flavors. Those, though, there will be flavor, but it's still a basic, good, solid IPA. It smells literally like a cheesecake, like somewhere in there of like a cheesecake flavor. So we have a nice blonde color here, pretty similar throughout what I've seen so far, which is common. Not clear whatsoever. Rustic flavor, still sweet on the palate. I like it. Not. I think it's gonna be a great beer to end with. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the chicken here. Sorry for the background. Very sweet on the tongue. So very sweet on the tongue. You're talking like those orange citrus flavors. Once it hits the tongue, it's like a bittersweet symphony. It really is. Um, Nothing too protruding, like a pomegranate, darky, beautiful citrus haziness to the flavor. Nothing very intricate, nothing very specific. It almost smells like really sweet, decadent used socks. Take it as you will, but I smell like my pheromones at its max in a good old fashioned pair of gym socks. That's not even a negative aspect. I love my pheromones. I don't know about you. This smells so decadent. Okay, so blood orange, a really good, distinct, bitter sweetness. I've said it before, but it's like once it hits right back into here on the back of the tongue, there's like a blood orange pomegranate grapefruit flavor that kind of gives you a little bit of a bite before you actually swallow with the bitterness, the hoppiness, the actual herbs of the beer, which is really solid. I like it. I mean, this was a good. I mean, this would be really careful as far as building a an entree with your meal. We're talking chicken with a zest, chicken with a crisp. You've got maybe elk would be somewhere. I don't know, not even in there. Much, 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 much lighter. Yeah, way lighter than what you're experiencing right now. But very crisp, very mellow, but still amaranth and caramello, whatever fucking flavors those are on your palate. Um, but sheerly quite delicious. It still has its flavor. Still sweet, very sweet. Grapes, even, the sweet is there. You just got to take some time with it. I think, yeah, it would certainly make its way to like balancing itself out with a nice evening meal. That's an evening meal quality drink. Um, what one was that? I don't even know which one I had. The Dodo do I do? No, no, no. That was the consolation prize. Um, for the name, sure. So after dessert or not pre-game, but pre-entree. So after your appetizer, you have the mid-beer pre-entree drink. That's it. You're talking like a 4-hour feng shui meal over the course here. So don't get any of my, drinks mixed up here. There's a lot that goes into this, at least in my head. That was hot. That was hot. That was very hot. Um, we're doing okay here. I'm gonna let you guys go. Wow, that's good. Mm, oh my god. Holy shit. Granted, it's just the spices, but holy cow. All right, under 10 minutes. Thank you for joining. Live expressively, drink responsibly. Don't spit on your computer.